beautiful afternoon here in Squirrel Land. Squirrels are just starting to come over. Oh, who's that over there? Who's that dirty nose? Who's that? Come on, you on? Come here. Here you go. There he goes. It is 71 degrees here. It was freezing this morning. And the squirrels and birds are now starting to come out with this beautiful weather. Here's the robins. Oh, robins are all kinds of birds over here. Little finches, cardinals. It is a beautiful day. Got a squirrel barking over there. I don't know what they're barking about. What you barking at up there, huh? Let's see. Let's see if I can look over here. Squirrel's barking. Where is he? Oh, there he is. You heard him. He's barking over there. He's barking while he's eating. What you barking for, little fella? Hear him? Yeah. He's barking while he's eating. What are you barking around there, buddy? Yeah. Oh, here's one. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Here you go. Oh, you gotta figure out how to get down. Okay, it's over there. Beautiful. That's a good one there. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. What you barking at? What you barking at? There he is. Oh. Oh, I'm coming down. Beautiful out. I came out, there was like 10 of them. Now they all vanished. But they've been sneaking over since I put the food out. Oh, here's another little one. Go get it. That little one. Well, they all seem little.
That's what I'm saying. I think we got two sets of littles that just moved into the houses.
Yeah, we got some squirrels moving into the house. So they threw all the old cotton out. There was a mess at the bottom of the tree.
Well, there was fresh stuff.
Well, they're redecorating.
Yeah, they did.
And the squirrels are Doing well. Oh, birds flapping up. Here comes another little one.
Oh, the peanut butter's out.
Get up there.
Hold on, let me get your peanut butter now.
Oh, Mama's got to get the birds peanut butter because they're calling her. Said, hey, where's the Skippy, lady? We have peanut butter on pine cones, seeds, peanuts, pecans, walnuts, everything under the sun here in Squirrel Land. Oh, here's another baby up there. Alright, guys. Grab and go. Oh, birds. This is a safe space here in our sanctuary. Look at all the birds. Who's that over there? What you doing up there? What you guys doing? Come on. Alright, somebody come over the fence. Let me see. Where'd he go? Oh, he was over here. Oh. Oh. Mama's gotta put out peanut butter. Alright, guys. Let me get going. All is well. Big jump.